Hi guys, today in this video we will see how to read room temperature data with our DHT11 temperature sensor and send it to our smartphone over Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE with NRF24L01 RF module, which is acting as a BLE module here. So without wasting any more further time, let's do this. So guys, before we start, I just want you all to be on the same page. So in one of my previous videos, I talked about how this cheap RF module can work as a BLE module. So before proceeding with this one, please make sure you have watched that one. So anyways, we will use this cheap NRF24L01 RF module as our BLE module, which will send the data to our smartphone. So now we need some data to transmit. And as from the video title, you know it should be a temperature data, right? So to get the temperature data, I will use a DHT11 temperature sensor. Now to make it all work, we need a microcontroller. And in our case, I will go with Arduino Uno. You can go with anyone you like. And last but not the least, we need some jumper wires for connections. So please make sure you have all the required stuff. And if it is not the case, please find the buying links in video description below. And the next thing needs to be done here is circuit. So for the circuit part, please refer this shown schematics and connect everything accordingly, as I connected everything. So our BLE module, temperature sensor are connected to Arduino according to the shown schematics. Now it's time for coding part. Please download this code from video description. And after downloading, make sure you have all these libraries installed in your Arduino IDE. And if not, then open Library Manager, then search DHT and install DHT sensor library. Then for RF24, search and install RF24 library. And similarly search and install BTLE library in your Arduino IDE as well. Then after that, here we created our radio instance with CE and CSN pin as 9 and 10. Then we created our BTLE instance here. Then we defined DHT pin as A0 and DHT type as DHT11. Then we created our DHT instance with DHT pin and DHT type. Now in setup, we started a serial communication and a while loop if serial is not there, and if serial is ready, it will print BTLE temperature sender. Now here we started our BTLE service with name as CMO temp. Then we started our DHT temperature sensor as well. Then in loop we created a float variable T. And we are reading the temperature data from our DHT sensor into the float variable T. Then we created a buff variable of type NRF service data. And we set the UUID of buff variable to NRF temperature service UUID. And the value of buff variable is set by the float variable T. Then it will advertise our data. And if the advertisement fails, then it will print on serial monitor that BTLE advertisement failure. And after that, it will hop it to the next channel followed by 1 second delay. Now let's upload this code to our Arduino board. So we have uploaded the code to our Arduino board successfully. Now our device is ready to send our room temperature data to our smartphone. So let's go to our smartphone and open NRF Connect for Mobile app to check our room temperature data. And here in our app, if we refresh it, we can see our CMO temp temperature device. And if we expand it, we can see our room temperature as well. So which means our BLE module and DHT temperature sensor are working perfectly as we expected. So similarly, you can make your device to monitor your room temperature over Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE with the help of NRF24L01 RF module and DHT11 temperature sensor. So guys, please let me know about this video in comment section. And in our upcoming NRF BLE videos, we will control some LEDs from our smartphone over BLE with this same NRF24L01 RF module. So stay tuned for those. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit like, give me a share and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, keep exploring.